Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Mindful Monday. If it's your first time joining us, feel free to type in comments where you're coming from if you have any questions or comments. Also, if you have a topic you'd like to hear covered in a future episode. As well as if it is your first time, you can also type the word mindful, and after the broadcast, whether watching live or recording, I'll go back through and put a link in that you can follow to get a free recording, hypnotic recording I created on releasing limiting beliefs. All right, great. So today we are here to talk about the Quickie tool to let go of stress, tension, and anxiety. And so this is a self-hypnosis or NLP anchoring tool that I adapted from the Hanson, Davis, McKay, Eshelman's book, this book that is entitled The Anxiety First Aid Kit Book. So they state that this tool has been useful for relaxation, letting go of symptoms of insomnia, minor chronic pain, nervous tics and tremors, chronic muscular tension, headaches, and even minor anxiety. And so it's called the 5-finger exercise. So the first thing you want to do, so this is going to kind of be a process today. So if you're watching live and you're in a safe place, that is not driving a motor vehicle, operating heavy machinery, watching children, anything like that, that requires your focused attention, and you are able to kind of relax with us, you're welcome to kind of join along and really find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. If not, then you can always come back to this and listen to it later. Okay. So I'm going to be kind of guiding the process, so just keep that in mind. So be safe wherever you are. So find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, as I said. You want to set aside at least 10 to 20 minutes for this exercise. If you're doing it later, you want this to be uninterrupted. And then the first thing you want to do is choose something that you'd like as your goal. And you want something that you want more of, so not less of. So for instance, if my goal is, I want less pain or less anxiety, that's not my goal. My goal is I want more peace or more comfort. So put it in the positive, frame it towards that. All right? And so once you have that and you're nice and comfortable, I'm going to invite you to kind of roll your eyes up and focus your eyes on one spot on the ceiling. Just your eyes. You don't have to tilt your neck back. Just your eyes. Focus your eyes on that one spot. Now take a full and easy breath in. And on your exhale, think to yourself, relax now. Good. And again, staring at your spot, another big breath in. And again, on your exhale, think to yourself, relax now. Nicely now, one more time. Filling those lungs fully and completely on this inhale. And on your exhale, again, think relax now. Nicely now. And you can simply allow your eyes to close down, turning loose, letting go, turning within. And I'd like you to bring your attention to your eyelids. And as you do, you can feel them becoming very, very heavy. Imagine as if your eyelids are so heavy, it's as if they're sealed down, tightly closed. Imagine as if your eyelids are so heavy, it's as if they're sealed down, tightly closed. Now I'd like you to just pretend as if you were to try and open your eyes. And when you find they're so heavy that they just do not want to work, then stop trying and go deeper within. As you go deeper within, you can feel that sense of relaxation flowing from your head all the way down to your toes, and from your skin into your bones. Letting every nerve, cell, and tissue fiber relax just so. Muscles are softening and melting like butter on a warm summer day. Soft and creamy. That's right. Good. Now to help you go even deeper, I'm going to begin to count backwards from 10 down to 1. And with each descending number that I count, you'll enter into deeper and deeper states of relaxation. When I get to the number 1, you'll be in your deepest and most profound level of relaxation. And so 10, going down and down and down. 9, deeper down, deeper down, deeper down. 8, more relaxed, more relaxed, more relaxed. 7, letting go, letting go, letting go. and 6. Deeper relaxed. Deeper relaxed. Deeper relaxed. 5. Drifting. Drifting. And drifting. 4. Down. And down. And down. 3. Body asleep. Mind awake. Body asleep. Mind awake. Body asleep. Mind awake. 2. Deeper down. Deeper down. Deeper down. And on 1, all the way down to your deepest and most profound level of relaxation. That's right, good. And now your mind and your subconscious mind are in the perfect place to receive the information, the suggestions that you want to impart to them. So from this deeply relaxed state, I'm going to invite you to first touch your thumb to your index finger. And as you do, go back in your mind to a time when your body felt a healthy sense of fatigue, maybe like after swimming or playing tennis, jogging, working out, doing yoga, and some other exhilarating physical activity. You know what it feels like when you've had that nice physical release and your body's feeling stretched out, limber, and kind of tired, but so good. So kind of go back to that time and really feel that time now. That's right. Good. And now release that finger and touch your middle finger to your thumb. And as you do, mentally go back to a time when you had a very loving experience. It could be anything at all. You might choose a moment with your partner, a warm embrace, an intimate conversation, or even looking lovingly down on your child or your pet, whatever's right for you. There is no right or wrong, just coming up with the first thing that is a loving experience that comes to you. And then really feeling the feelings, sensing into that. That's right. Good. Nicely now. And then release that finger. And I'm going to invite you to touch your thumb to your ring finger. And as you do, I'd like you to recall the best compliment you ever received. Imagine yourself fully accepting that compliment now. Remember that by doing so, you're showing your high regard for the person who said it and thus paying them a compliment back when you fully and truly accept and embody it. So doing that now, fully accepting and embodying that compliment, whatever it is. And feeling that compliment within you. Good. And then release that finger and touch your thumb to your little finger. And as you do, you can mentally imagine the most beautiful place that you've ever been to. Take a moment here to see what you see and hear what you hear and feel what you feel here in your beautiful place. And let all of those feelings of being that happily physically fatigued, having that loving experience, receiving the best compliment ever, wash back over you here in your beautiful place now. Really enjoying all of those amazing feelings right here, right now, in this present moment. That's right. Good. I'd like to invite you to take a moment and name this feeling, whatever it is you are feeling. You can name it with a word, a phrase, an image, a sound, a song, but taking a moment and naming this feeling now. Good. And then when you have that name in your mind, take another nice big breath in, pinky finger touching thumb, exhale and think or say your word or phrase. Good. And again, another big inhale, fingers are touching, filling the lungs fully and completely. Exhaling to your word or phrase. And we'll do that one more time. Pinky finger touching thumb. Big breath in. Exhale to your word or phrase. Good. And you can release your fingers, you can relax your breathing, but know that from this point forward, anytime you touch your pinky to your thumb, take a big breath in, exhale and think or say your word or phrase. All of these feelings will come rushing back to you just as strongly and just as powerfully as you're feeling them now. Not because I said so, but because this is a resource state that you and your beautiful subconscious mind have created. And so now you can slowly begin to breathe and move and stretch, coming back to the room, feeling rested and refreshed, ready to go about your day, feeling like you've been on a nice little journey or had a nice little nap, and really enjoying yourself, taking all of this in. So this has been a great Mindful Monday for me. I hope it's been a great Mindful Monday for you as well. Thanks so much. Take care.